And now on to the armature for this sculpt. If you're interested in getting into sculpting your own minis, I hope you'll follow along. I've made a quick sketch covering my plans for the armature, the body, and the clothing and accessories. This video will be covering the first part of the sketch. I'll be using some narrow pliers, sturdy tweezers, wire cutters, and 29 gauge coated copper wire. I start by cutting a piece of wire at 40 centimeters length. This piece will make the whole armature. Fold it at the center, then use pliers to pinch that fold. Grip the center point with pliers and twist the two free ends down and away from the center into one spiral length. Stop at just a little more than 2 centimeters, more than enough for head to hips. Measure out one of the single wires 3.5 centimeters from the hips and bend it back in at that point. Where it meets the hips, wrap it tightly back up around the torso. Do this for the other leg as well. Lots of twisting. Just twist the devil out of it. At the hip joints, fold these leg sections you just made out and a bit down away from the torso, and then straight down to form the legs. Finish twisting the wires up around the torso until you get to the shoulder height, about 11 or 12 millimeters from where the legs go straight down. The arms will fold back in at 2.5 centimeters. Fold that wire back into and then around the torso, like you did with the legs. Measure 1.5 centimeters down the vertical portion of the legs and bend 90 degrees away to make the feet. Bend the ends of the feet down. These toe anchors will come in handy, don't cut them. Snip just below the very top. Grip the neck with pliers and untwist from the top. Pull one or both of the loose wires down and wrap it around itself to create a little volume for the head, but just a little. Now just work out the pose for the figure, but ignore the arms for now. It's easier to leave them alone. And now you should have a decent armature to build your mini over. Thanks for watching. See you next time.